Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the coupons on the AliExpress.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that you should tap on the category that you would like to purchase, or tap on the product that you would like to purchase. And once it is loaded, you should be able to see this get coupons button. So tap on it, and here you can find the store discounts and the store coupon codes that you can collect. So here you can see that you need to purchase above this price, and then you can collect the coupon. As you can see, it has been collected automatically, so now you need to purchase and then you will save money by or via these coupons that you can find here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.